How to register? Just scan the QR code and it will direct you to the registration. Fill in the necessary information, name, surname, email address, contact number, and password. Password contain capital letter, small letters, numbers, special character. Then click the create account. If the message appear like this, don't click anything. Just go to your spam message, then click the email received from the BFP. From Android, just click the verified email address instead of rectangular. For OS like iPhone, just click the link below or copy and paste it to your browser. Message will appear in the rectangular verified email address. Sorry, I don't have video to show you like on that. Then click proceed to log in. It will direct you to your dashboard. This is how to register. Note that registration is different from tagging. Thank you.